room 207. Everyone's evacuated. Hey, sir, I'm gonna have to go.
Hey, I need another one.
Hey, come on, you need to get out. The fire rescue's coming right now.
There's a guy right there, I think.
There's a guy in there?
Yeah. He's somebody he's gonna run in. He's right here.
Hey, we're going.
There's a guy. Hey. All right, get out. Right here, right here. Yeah, it's across the street.
Where you at?
I am over here.
Somebody in there?
I don't know, but going around you through the window, it's like the window was on fire.
Oh, yeah, it's a bad fire, bro. That's not gonna do anything.
Yeah.
Let's get him back here.
Oh shit, it's bad. Oh no. Alright, it's coming from the bottom floor. Yeah. Watch that. 23 got visible flame to the back of the building underneath 207. Hey, there's visible flames on the back side. Yeah.
Tell my captain he's coming.
Alright, I got it. Hey, you got visible flame from the corner building over here.
Alright. What's up?
Hit the corner, fire. Yeah, you guys gonna grab him? You wanna go grab him?
Yeah, let's grab him. Get him out of the way. Get this guy out of the way.
I got him.
My knee went out, sir. Yes, sir. My knee went out, sir. That's all. That's all. My knee went out.
I got you.
I just got out of the hospital.
I got you.
Thank you, sir. I got an infection in my foot.
Here.
Let me sit.
I know.
See my legs,
I know.
sir.
I need to get you out of here. That way you don't get hit by fire.
Hey, I need that.
Here, give me your phone. We're gonna take you out of safety. Give me your phone. I'm gonna take you to safety
Give
now.
me my phone, please. My name's Martin Kendall.
No, should be it.
My name's Martin Kendall.
All right, come on. Hey, I'm gonna get you out of here. All right.
I don't need to get out of here, sir.
Sir, there's a fire behind you.
I need an ambulance. You see my foot?
Yeah.
They're both infected.
They're at the street. You're gonna come with us now. Let's go. Let's go.
I need oxygen.
We're gonna get you oxygen. We're gonna get you oxygen. Let's go. You gotta come with us now. Let's go.
Oh, my leg, sir. My leg.
Was inside? Is there anyone else?
I was sleeping, I guess.
You got paramedics?
Yes. Yes.